Hi, I'm Vineet and I'm one of the founders of AppLover. As an Android developer, we love the Android platform. That's one of the reasons why we're building and writing apps for Android. Because we love the Android developer community, we love the platform as well as we love the open source part of it. We built 360. 360 is a panorama app that lets you take panoramas. And we built it with a lot of love and a lot of effort until we had to test it. That's when we realized that Android was really painful. We had to test it on multiple devices that we had absolutely no access to. We had to find users that we had to keep chasing down and were very difficult to find. Ultimately, we were tired and exhausted. We spent 90% of our time testing the app and 10% of it making it awesome. So we built AppLover. AppLover is simply connecting app developers to early adopters at Android. People who love getting new applications, who love testing new applications, who love being on the frontier of new technology. So now, in this world of AppLover, let's see how your testing works. You have hundreds of phones that are registered with actual human users. So these are our app lovers who have registered their phone, and also the ability for you to contact them if you have any bugs and any issues. You send them an invite through our platform, and then they run on their app on their phone. Well, we all wish this were all our app testers, right? It's more like this. Anyways, we love our app lovers. They're awesome. As developers, you get all crash reports on your dashboard. You get honest reviews from our app lovers who go through your entire application, find out bugs, find out features that they want, find out features that they don't want, and send very, very detailed reviews, as you can see here. Early adopters, they're really happy because now they have all these new apps that they can try out, and then they can also show off to their friends. And as developers, we get great feedback and our app is tested. Overall, I would say this is a full of win. Go ahead, sign up, help make Android apps awesome. Thank you.